Listen, the fruit train is coming. A colorful train rolls in, each coach full of smiling fruits. Apple, waving. Hi, kids. I'm Apple. I'm red and sweet. Banana, twirling. Hello, I'm Banana. I'm yellow and soft. Grapes, bouncing. Hi there. We're grapes. We're purple and round. Orange, rolling. Yay! I'm orange, juicy and orange.
Yummy fruits on the train. Sing and dance again and again.
Wow, we met so many yummy fruits today. Eat fruits, stay strong, sing with us all day long. Bye-bye, kids. Don't forget me.